First of all, guys, start drawing your human figure. Draw a human stick figure, which is what we're gonna base our project on. So just don't try too hard. Just go simple. Firstly, we're gonna use deck wire for the body, and then we're gonna use a small wire that is like a hands or overlap wire, which makes it dope. Firstly, we're gonna start with the head. Just make a circular form shape. There's an egg looking head. You got your head. Let's get into the body now. So what we're gonna do is, since there's too much wire, we're just gonna cut off what we're going to use for now and then use the other one for later. Firstly, we're gonna bend the wire according to the drawing that we made. So we're just gonna make the human figure body. You can use your hands if you find the plier kind of hard to bend or to create whatever shape you're trying to make, because the wire that I have right now is not really hard to bend. So there you go. You got your body right here, your feet right here. Alright, what we're gonna do is gonna cut the edge right here, which is the feet. Let's see. This is the first part of the wire, the body. Yeah, it's looking great. Alright, what you're gonna do is we're gonna go again, overlap, hook the thick wire, and then we're gonna roll it around the one that we just made. Alright, there you go. You got the spine looking wire. And then what we're gonna do is take the other wire, go over it again. We're trying to make the second leg. We made one leg of the body. This is the one leg. Now we're gonna try go over again and then make the second leg. There you go. Second leg incoming. Now we got the two legs and the body and the head. So we're just gonna cut the edge of this leg right here. Alright, this is what we got right now. It's not bad. What we're gonna do now is take the wire that is not as hard, which is easy to bend. We're gonna try and make the arms. Alright, out of this we're gonna just cut what we need so it's easy to use, because if it's a sticker that's gonna go everywhere, it's gonna be untidy, and it's probably gonna mess up your place that you're working in. So we're just gonna cut what we need and go over the body. There you go. Alright, first of all, we're just gonna roll around from the head one more time. And then go on the body. So first right hand right here.
So tell me why you want me when I ain't nothing like you usual. I don't prance around, I don't fuss and pout, and I don't play the more delusional.
Once you got your right hand, we're gonna go over the right. Now we're making the left hand using the same small wire. Just cut what we need. Cut what we need. What we don't need, we'll put aside and use it later. What we're gonna do is do the same thing. Go over the head again. There you go. We got our left hand. Once you're done with your left hand, we got some, not bad. Alright, what we're gonna do is we're gonna use a small wire to go over both hands now. So we're gonna put the wire through the middle, twist it, make the human figure thicker, and then now we're gonna double up on the hands. Once we get to the fingers, create the fingers right here. Second finger, we cut it off. Do the same thing to the right hand. Through the middle on the arm. Yeah, put as much wire as you can. It kind of looks nice and stylistic. So the more wire you get, the more thicker the person gets. Alright, we got our second arm, second hands. Once you get to this part, cut it off, and then go again, roll up until we got 5 fingers. For now, we got 2 on each sides. The legs a little skinnier. We might have to go back and put more wire on it. We got our third finger, cut it off. Yeah, and go take the small wire again, go through the body. The body can get as much wire as possible because it's the thicker part of the body. Don't be afraid to put much wire as possible on a human figure. It doesn't matter if it doesn't look good, as long you get what you want out of the wire. We got our third hand, 2 2 to go on each side, 2 to go. Yeah, we're moving a little quicker. Cut the hand, go back again, start from the body. Now we're gonna start from the body, from the bottom of the body. We're going up now. So what you wanna do, so that you don't hurt yourself, put the wire a little bit so you can bend it over next after. So then just twist. We got 4 hands now. Get small wire again, go over it, make the stomach and the chest bigger. I know it's so repetitive, but that's the main part of the art, the sculpture, to go over it again and again and again until you're satisfied. So what I do is start with the body, get more wire in the body, create a little bulkiness on it, go over it again twice, 3 times, 4 times. Get as much wire as possible. The neck, going arm. Alright. Last wire on each hand, and then we're gonna start working on the legs. Yeah, the foam is coming out. Alright, get more wire. Alright, start again on the body. Put the wire through. Alright, go over it. Chest. Make sure you get as much wire as possible on the body. Go zigzag on the body to make him look like a human. And then we make our last finger for each side. Let's go left side finger. Finger number 5. We got 5 fingers now. And we're gonna go on and start on the other side. Wrap the wire around the body. Get more wire. Start on the body. Every time your starting point should be the body part. So realistic when you put more wire on the body. Finger number 5. You got 5 fingers. You can start putting them together if you want. Change the size. This is how it looks right now. Put the wire through the middle, at the bottom of the body. Start going on the leg. On this one, it should be easier. We're not trying to make the toes, but we're just trying to make the leg as thick as possible. So put as much wire as possible. Circle it until we think it's enough. Circle, circle. Spin. Yeah, you got a little butt now. circle again. Go again and again. Make the shape of the calves. Twist it. Go again. Calves. Circle on the calves. Let's create the calves. I decided to make a football player, so I'm going to make a little ball right here, the circle. So this is how much we've got right now. So I just created a little circle right here. Since we create a ball, we're just going to tie the top of the ball. Put more wire in it. We got a football player now. Yep. That's a good thing, yo. Yeah, don't be afraid to put as much wire as possible. Don't mind how it looks. It's just gonna be art at the end of the day. Art is what you make it. Thank you for tuning in.